Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn all from 10 together, step by step. What's 1000 minus 268? After today, you'll do it in your head. The rule is simple. Take each digit from 9 and the very last digit from 10. So for 268, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 10 minus 8 is 2. Read it left to right. 732. The same rule works for 100 minus any two-digit number. You only have two digits, so it's first digit from 9, last digit from 10. 100 minus 47. 9 minus 4 is 5. 10 minus 7 is 3. The answer is 53. Let's do one together. 1000 minus 376. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 10 minus 6 is 4. Read left to right. 624. Quick, isn't it? Now you try with me. 100 minus 36. 9 minus 3 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. That's 64. Let's check it. 36 plus 64 is 100. Perfect! So here's the whole trick. Take every digit from 9, switch to 10 only for the last digit, and read your answer left to right. It's so fast it feels suspicious, so always check by adding your answer back. The sum should be the power of 10 you started with. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.